Hi, my name is Mark, and my wife and I hail from Chicago, Illinois. We have struggled for years with the negative effects of electromagnetic radiation, and we have been looking for years for solutions to the problems that we have been suffering. This is now our fourth day. Patrick has been offering the solutions that GeoVital has been working with for decades. We feel now that we have some definitive answers, solutions for ourselves, as well as for anybody else who will be considering these options. We're excited about being able to give this to anybody who's interested. And so I invite you now to consider the very same.